travelers, reward enthusiasts and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I'll give you an overview of the card, its pros and cons, and my take on that card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the American Express Blue Business Plus credit card. There are a huge number of business rewards credit cards available, so it's safe to believe that no matter how big or little your company is, there is a business card with the ideal features and benefits for you. The Amex Blue Business Plus is an underappreciated credit card because it is the only American Express business credit card that provides the greatest rewards for routine purchases. Along with a simple rewards earning scheme, the card offers several helpful benefits for small businesses and does so without charging an annual fee. You may be familiar with business cards like the Business Platinum card from American Express or the American Express Business Gold card, which are packed with helpful perks and spending advantages. But the Blue Business Plus is the perfect addition to these cards. In addition, you can earn twice as many Amex points for purchases that don't fall under one of the bonus categories offered by the other cards, in addition to the fact that there is no annual fee. With this card, you get access to several amazing features. The finest one is the ability to spend more cash than you have available on your credit on items relevant to your business, which is always useful when it comes time to use it. In addition, it provides standard features like free additional employee cards, a global assistance hotline, the option to choose an account manager to manage the account, and a relationship care service for small business support. These are in addition to the collision insurance for rental cars that are offered as an addition to your policy. Callers can connect with Amex customer service at any time, day or night. Additionally, clients have the option to go into their accounts and engage in live chat with a professional. Amex has a presence on social media as well. If you have any questions or comments, tweet at AskAmex. The security measures that American Express offers are regarded as industry standards in many cases. One of these features is a monitoring system that keeps an eye out for dishonest behavior and alerts you if it is detected. Amex also provides extra security services, including a pre-purchase verification and personal security keys, to secure your data and the security to your account. To provide a free credit score and report to both cardholders and non-cardholders, American Express offers a service called My Credit Guide. To qualify for this card, you must have a credit score that is good or exceptional, which is defined as being between 670 and 850. You should be cautious about your credit score because it must fall within this range. You can be sure that every card has its pros and cons. Let's dive into the pros and cons of the American Express Blue Business Plus credit card. Here are the pros. Number 1. Various online transfer partners. Number 2. There is no annual fee. Number 3. There's a high awards rate. Number 4. Initial APR period. And number 5. You can spend more than your credit limit. And now for the cons. Number 1. There's maximums for bonus rewards spending. Number 2. You need a good or excellent credit. And number 3. It lacks substantial travel benefits. We've heard about the pros and cons. Now let me introduce you to how you can earn rewards and tell you my thoughts on the card. With this card, you can earn 2 points for every dollar you spend on eligible business expenditures, up to $50,000 annually. After the $50,000 spending cap is reached, every additional purchase results in 1 point being awarded. Additionally, when you spend $3,000 within the first 3 months as a new member, you'll receive 15,000 membership rewards. Right now, 1.19 cents is the value assigned to each membership rewards point. Due in part to their adaptability, American Express membership rewards points are valued. A lot of partner airlines accept the points for transfer. Most offer a ratio of 1-to-1. The frequent transfer bonuses that American Express offers also gives cardholders access to more value. Air Canada Aeroplan, British Airways, Iberia and Delta Avios are some of the most frequently used airline transfer partners. Membership rewards can also be used to buy a variety of gift cards for dining, shopping and travel. Depending on the merchant, each point can be purchased for between 0.5 and 1 cent. You may use points to pay at some retailers, most notably Amazon, where each point costs 0.7 cents. Another feature of the card allows you to use points to lower charges on your account. Although at a 0.6 cents each, it's not a very valuable feature. A maximum price of $99 may be charged for transfers, with a fee per point of $0.006. For card issuers, that is an unusual charge. To offset that expense, American Express might provide you with the option to use points. And despite the cost, moving points around might be a wise decision that gives you more value. To get the most of the 2 points per dollar earned bonus, use the Blue Business Plus card for all of your business-related expenses. Spending up to $50,000 annually on 2 points per dollar incentives will allow you to earn 100,000 membership rewards points, which are worth $1,000 when used to book travel through American Express. If your spending cap is reached, you are still permitted to use the card, but you will only be credited 1 point for each dollar spent on other purchases. When you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months of your membership, you'll receive a bonus of 15,000 points. This is an opportunity you shouldn't pass up. Take advantage of the 0% introductory APR on purchases for 12 months as well. In the first year after receiving your card, doing this can assist you in paying for significant purchases. Last but not least, distribute extra cards to your staff to increase the value of your rewards balance. This is not typically the case with business cards, because these cards are typically provided at no cost. Furthermore, this card provides you the flexibility to occasionally spend more than the permitted credit limit. Spending beyond your spending cap does not result in penalties or enrollment. You continue to earn membership rewards points on those transactions. Your credit history, available resources, and payment history are just a few of the variables that can affect how much you can spend above your credit limit. However, just like with any other card charges, you'll be subject to interest charges if you do not pay in full any purchases that exceed your credit limit before the end of the billing cycle. I would give the prizes an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 also for the advantages. The annual cost is free, so it's got to be 10 out of 10. And I'll give the level of customer service a 9. The first thing to realise is that since this is a business card, not everyone is eligible to apply. To be qualified, you do not, however, need to have a physical storefront or a registered company. Having an online store or doing freelance work alone may be enough to get you approved for a business credit card. The Blue Business Plus card is most appropriate for small enterprises that make a variety of monthly transactions in various amounts and across a wide range of categories. Priority is in line with the card's single rewards rate, which has an annual cap, and the second priority is in line with the card's flexible credit limit, which can be increased to accommodate higher spending, but only for one billing cycle without incurring interest fees. Companies that are carrying debt on another high-interest card or that have significant expenditure plans shortly for which a payment vacation would be very helpful are more likely to be drawn to the card. The Blue Business Plus has a 12-month promotional APR of 0%, as well as a reasonably low reoccurring APR once the promotion has ended. In addition, you can earn an extra 15,000 membership rewards points if $3,000 is spent within the first 3 months of activation. For those who would prefer American Express membership rewards points as a form of incentive instead of plain cashback, there is a card for that. You should utilize those points to pay for travel arrangements made through American Express and its partner loyalty programs, since those are the most lucrative redemption options for this card. However, it's not a perfect fit for larger companies with spending beyond $50,000, at least not as a solitary business card. If your spending is high, combining the Blue Business Plus card with a different American Express business card may help you maximize your benefits in this situation. I suggest that you think through every scenario before applying for this card or any other. This wraps up my review of the American Express Blue Business Plus credit card. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of it. These videos take a long time to make and are a labour of love. If you'd like to see my channel grow, please spread the word. And until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.